Hi, today I'm going to show you how to clean and cure your printed models. You will need the following items. You will need a glass bowl, 2 cups, IPA, News 90% and above. You can also substitute IPA for methyl hydrate. Glycerin, a curing unit. In this video, we will be using the Creative CADWorks Cure Zone to cure the parts. Starting with the IPA, pour it into the 2 cups. The reason why we have 2 cups of IPA is because we initially rinse the model in the first cup and further clean the model in the second cup. This will allow us to get rid of any remaining residue. Once you finish pouring the IPA, place the model into the first cup. Leave the model in the cup for 30 to 60 seconds. If you leave any models in the IPA for an extended period of time, it may cause cracks in your printed model. Now place the model in the second cup of IPA, again for 30 to 60 seconds. Remove the model from the IPA. At this point, you can either let it dry or use an air compressor to speed up the process and help remove any additional particles. Once you dry the model, examine the model for any remaining residue. If you find any, repeat the previous steps of placing the model in the IPA. Use a fresh batch of IPA if necessary. Once your model is clean, you can start the curing process. Pour the glycerin into the glass bowl. Pour the appropriate amount of glycerin for your model to be fully submerged. Once again, make sure your model is fully submerged. Use your fingers to push the model to the bottom of the bowl. You want the model to be cured with glycerin covering the entire surface of the model. You are now ready to cure your model. With our cure zone, the model will be ready in 40 minutes. The curing time is dependent on the size of the model itself. In addition, this may vary with different curing units. Some may take longer than others. We will go over more details on how to determine if a model is fully cured at the end of the video. After 20 minutes of curing on one side of the model, rotate the model 180 degrees. This will allow the other side of the model to be cured directly under the UV lights. After 40 minutes, your model will be ready. There is no downside to any additional curing, which may be required for larger models and different curing units. Clean your model with water after you pull it out of the glass bowl. After you clean the glycerin off your model with water, you can examine if the model is fully cured with certain details. A fully cured model will feel brittle and hard. If enough pressure is applied, it can break, while an uncured model is flexible. All the important links will be provided in the description of the video. Comment below if you have any questions.